Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you why you might not be receiving any notifications from GoPuff. Because if you're waiting on order updates or confirmations and your phone is totally silent, it's usually one of a few quick settings. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and there's not a lot of steps involved, and this is for an iPhone. So first, you want to check your phone notification settings by going into Settings, and then Notifications, and then find your GoPuff app. And make sure your Allow Notifications is turned on. You see how mine's turned off? You toggle it to the right and it will come on. Next, you want to check if you have Focus or Do Not Disturb turned on, because that can silence your notifications even when the app is working. Now, if you're not getting confirmation, GoPuff recommends verifying your phone number and email in the app. So, able to do that, you want to open the GoPuff app, make sure that you're signed in, and then select Account in the bottom right-hand corner, and then you would select Settings. And then you want to make sure your contact info is correct, because they say you should receive confirmations by text and email. Also, if you're waiting on an order update, open the app and check your order tracking, because that's usually the most up-to-date place to see your status as well. If everything looks right, but you still aren't getting notifications, update the app, log out, and then log back in, or delete and reinstall. Sometimes the app just needs a reset. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually get notifications, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.